Ladies, whatever you guys are doing, keep your feet clean. Treat yourself out for a pedicure. I see a lot of you putting so much effort on your face, your breasts, and your booty, but y'all neglect your feet. Do you know that we can tell about your hygiene by just looking at your feet? Rather if it's dry, thirsty, crunchy, lack of water and soap. Imagine making love with your significant other and your leg happen to be on your man's shoulders. And during that moment, us men, sometimes we get into the groove and we want to take a big sniff of your feet. And if your feet stinks, that's not cool. That's going to be the last time my nose near your toes. And also when things get heated up, we want to kiss you on your legs. And if we kiss you on your heel and you got all the callus in the way and cutting up our lips, that's not also cool. Same thing with you men. Men, y'all gotta put yourself in the woman's shoe. Imagine if you were laying down, my man, and your leg happened to be on the shoulders of the woman and she happened to take a sniff of your toes. You better have some clean toes too. So get them toes clean, guys, because you never know who's gonna be the next person who's gonna take a big sniff and a big kiss on your feet. So make sure you get them toes ready, just like this client right here. Her toe is sucking, ready to go. That's how I'm going to take care of her, y'all.